We're about to dive into a single sentence that's an absolute cornerstone of Islamic teaching.
This right here, this is the central theme of our explainer. So let's unpack what it means.
So this wisdom comes from the Prophet Muhammad, but where was it recorded and why is it so important?
It was shared by the leader, Umar ibn al-Khattab, right from the pulpit, a very public statement.
And here's the kicker. It's the very first hadith in the famous Sahih al Bukhari collection.
Now, to make this idea really stick, the teaching uses a powerful example, the hijrah.
And even though the hijrah was this massive physical journey, the focus here is all on the why.
See, you could migrate for God and his messenger, or for worldly stuff like money or marriage.
Outwardly, the action is identical. You've got two people making the exact same journey.
But the reward? Well, that's tied directly to that hidden intention. It's all about the why.
So it all boils down to this. Your inner purpose is what truly counts, not just the action itself.
This one saying gives us a framework for our entire lives, encouraging purpose and self-awareness.
It completely shifts our focus from just what we do to why we're actually doing it. So it really makes you ask yourself, what's the real intention behind my actions?